How to install Google Pixel to boot animation in any Android device. Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video. So turn on the subtitles if you want to. This is Banu, let's get started. Pixel 2 is out for a while now. It's time to get Pixel 2 boot animation. So, quick disclaimer, I'm not responsible for any damage caused to your device because of this zip. This zip is fully tested, worked in every device, back up everything before flashing it. I will leave an extra thread in the description if you guys want to check it out, so let's do it. To flash Pixel 2 boot animation, just download the boot animation, links in the description, and flash through any custom recovery. If you don't have one, use apps like Flashify to get the job done. I recently featured Flashify app in my top rooted app list. If you haven't watched the video yet, links in the description. Tell me which device you are using right now. I will upload more videos like this in the future, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Banu. I will see you in my next video. Peace out.